guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I am going to be trying an infinity pour with my split cups. I already did one of these, but with kind of more crazy colors. I'm going to have this one be maybe a little more subdued. And if you don't know what an infinity pour is, don't worry, you will soon. So I'm going to start with white and black in one side. And I don't need to fill this all the way up. This is just a 10 by 10 canvas, so only requires less than 7 ounces of paint, about 6 ounces. So I'm going to fill these cups up maybe about halfway. So one side I'm doing white and black, and then on the other side I'm going to do metallics. So I'm going to do Arteza Gold. And then I have, this looks like yellow, but it's really a metallic brown from Arteza. And these came in the same box. So really pretty. Putting some in that. And then I'm going to use a bit of silver, which I almost never use. But why not? And that silver, I think, is Folkart. Okay. So that should be good. I'm going to actually add just a little more gold to this side, just to even them out. There we go. Okay, so with the infinity pour, it does take a little coordination with your hands. But basically, you're going to just start pouring at the same time. And then you're crossing over. And you can go as big as you want or as little as you want. So I did more metallics than white and black. Whoop. You can run into your hands. It's okay. This is actually one of the kind of cool techniques that it's pretty hard to mess up. I find that often the more wild and crazy that you go with it, the better it actually comes out. So right now this looks like a totally hot mess. Let's go ahead and move it around. I really do not hardly ever use silver, so this will be interesting. And also that metallic brown color is a newer one for me. So I was worried about going with too much white and black, but it looks like the silver absolutely took over. But that's okay. This looks pretty killer. That was fun. All right, let's let this sit here for a minute and we'll come in for our close-up. All right, we're back. Definitely some cells popping up here, but nothing big. So let's go ahead and do our close-up. So this is the bottom right-hand corner. And this looks like a shoe or a thumb. I am not sure how I feel about this one. For someone that loves the more earthy tones, this might be a pretty cool color combination. But I don't know. I'm honestly not just not a fan of silver. Although I love silver jewelry, in terms of colors, I really, really prefer gold. So I think if I were to do this again, I would not add the silver in there. Maybe even the black and white with the gold and that metallic brown from Arteza. I think that would look pretty cool. But, you know, trying to switch it up on the color combinations, so there you go. All right, guys, I'm definitely on the fence on this one, so let me know your opinions on it. If you think I should embellish it, just paint over it, you hate it, or you absolutely love it, it's super unique. It's also, I mean, you can always flip it around to get different perspectives. Like, I actually think I like this more, this direction. That direction's pretty cool too. And might as well try the final. So there you go. Yeah. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Don't be afraid about hurting my feelings on this one because I have no feelings about this specifically. And I will see you all next time.